This is the transaction of April 18. So next transaction, let's see the transaction, students, and then April 20, goods sold to Ramesh for rupees 8,000. He paid rupees 5,000 by check immediately. गुड सोल्ड टू रमेश 8,000 रुपये के गुड सोल्ड कर रहे हैं, जिसमें वो हमें 5,000 रुपये इमीडिएटली पेड कर रहा है. तो इट मीन जितना पेड कर रहा है चेक के थ्रू, दैट विल बी बैंक, एंड द 3,000 विल रमेश विल डेबिट with the name of Ramesh and to sales account. So the journal entry will pass on April 20. First Ramesh अकाउंट डेबिट. हम सेल कर रहे तो हम लोगों को पैसा मिलना चाहिए था, लेकिन कुछ अमाउंट जो नहीं मिला वो रमेश अकाउंट के यहाँ पर ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा, रमेश के नाम से ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा वो अमाउंट. सो रमेश अकाउंट डेबिट, जो कैश आया हमारे पास चेक के थ्रू, इज पेड चेक ना, सो चेक के थ्रू. सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट and to सेल्स अकाउंट. 8,000 रुपीज़ के गुड सोल्ड किए, 5,000 इमीडिएटली चेक के थ्रू पेमेंट किया, 3,000 इसके नाम से डेबिट. सो बीइंग गुड्स सोल्ड टू रमेश on cash and on credit. Okay, so at the last we do the total of the debit and credit, and then it is transferred to the next page. Okay, so student, the next transaction is what the next transaction says: additional capital introduced as cash 10,000 and delivery van पर्सनल एसेट्स ऑफ रुपीज़ 50,000. 10,000 रुपये का कैश इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है और 50,000 रुपये की डिलीवरी वैन इंट्रोड्यूस हो रही है, जो कि अप्रैल 25 को. सो दिस जर्नल एंट्री विल पास ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, ईयर 2020, and the date of this transaction is April 25. So cash is coming in the firm into the business, cash account debit, and delivery van account debit, and 2, that is additional capital. Okay, additional capital account. So cash is of rupees 10,000 and delivery van, that is of rupees 50,000, and the total amount is 60,000 is introduced as additional capital. So being cash and delivery van introduce as additional capital. Okay, so this transaction is completed. Now the next transaction, that is on April 26, cash paid to Anil rupees 975, discount received 25. If we are paying cash, so it means cash is outgoing, so it means it will credit, and discount always comes with the account of cash. So to whom we are paying? We are paying to Anil. So Anil will debit on April 26 on April 26, Anil's account debit to cash account and to cash discount received account. So what amount we paid to Anil? 975. So 975 cash goes out and 25 rupees of discount we receive, and total 1000 rupees Anil will debit. So being cash paid to Anil and cash discount received. Okay, so next entry, April 30, that is paid to Raju rupees 1000 in cash and 2000 by check. राजू को पेड कर रहे हैं 1000 रुपये कैश है और 2000 का चेक 30 अप्रैल. सो इट इज़ ऑन April 30. So if we paying to Raju, so Raju account debit to cash account 1000 and to bank account that this is the payment for check by check rupees 2000. Total is 3000. Narration being cash and check paid to Raju. Okay students, so this is the April 30th transaction. Next one is April 30th. One more transaction is there, that is paid rupees 4800 to Mohan in settlement of his account for rupees 5000. 5000 रुपये उसे देने थे, 5000 की जगह हम 4800 रुपये पे कर रहे हैं उसके सेटलमेंट के लिए. तो इट मीन्स यहाँ पर हमें 200 रुपीज़ का डिस्काउंट रिसीव हो रहा है. सो April 30, to whom we are paying? We are paying to Mohan. Okay, so Mohan account will debit. So Mohan account debit to cash account of rupees 4800. 5000 इसको पेड करने थे and remaining to discount received. Account that is of rupees 200. Narration being cash paid to Mohan and discount received. Okay students, so in all the transaction you can see, after it we can do the total. Okay, total of all pages. It's some not an account, it is only a total. So in all transaction you have seen students, more than one account is debited or credited. Okay, so here at the last you will do the total of debit and credit on of all the pages, what the transaction we have done for it. Okay, so in all the transaction you can see one account is debited, 2 अकाउंट्स आर क्रेडिटेड, इट मीन्स यही सिचुएशन होगी, एक अकाउंट अगर डेबिट हो रहा है तो 2 अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो रहे होंगे या 2 से ज़्यादा अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो रहे होंगे, या अगर एक अकाउंट क्रेडिट है तो उस 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा डेबिट हो रहे होंगे, या 2 से ज़्यादा डेबिट हो रहे होंगे, 2 से ज़्यादा क्रेडिट हो रहे होंगे. ओके, सो in all the transaction you can see this. Okay, so that's why we say these are the compound generality. Here 3 accounts are debited in a single transaction. Similarly, you can see this. So all the transactions we have passed out for here 3 accounts are debited. So more than one accounts may be credited also. Not only one account will credit in this situation. Okay, students, you will solve related to compound journal entry more problem from your book. So if you face any problem related to it, then you can ask. Okay, thank you students for today. Thank you.